Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet MFP M31w series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet MFP M31w drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you go back up an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M31w software and driver downloads. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to just scroll down underneath driver product installation software and select the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w slash M29w slash M30w slash M31w printer full software solution. Select download for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting that items or those contents. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes, and then you just want to proceed with the on-screen setup guide of configuring your printer to set up to your device, whether you want to have a wired or wireless-based connection, for example. That's one thing, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.